We have multiple beds in the community garden that we use for food donation and growing things that we give back to the community. Here in this bed, we have our cucumbers and some zucchini squash. We have a lot of pests, so we have netting around to protect from deer. But another pest that we have are certain insects. In this case, we have cucumber beetles that have just started to devour this area. Really, when you start to see this, you know that there's some sort of insect damage. They do tend to hang out near the base down here. They'll tend to be on some of the lower leaves on the back side. And then just kind of looking around the base, like here we go again. We have another cucumber beetle. So the squash bugs impact squash, watermelon, cantaloupe, and cucumber. Eats the foliage and secretes toxins to the plant. Our cucumbers, our squashes, our gourds, our sunflowers, all those items we plant directly in the ground after the final frost.